can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually gonna be covering what might be the last week of Supreme Fall Winter 19. I'm not gonna lie, the season was ass, but the last 3 weeks, they ended this shit with a bang. We had box logos for 2 weeks, we got TNF for what is possibly the last week, and hey, I'm not gonna lie, they low-key did one of these at the end, but before that shit, we were at rock bottom. This season hasn't been too good, but I will possibly make a video on that in the future. If you guys do end up enjoying this one though, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to enter in a Poro giveaway where we'll be giving away a necklace. And while you're down there, click the room tour video, and once you get that to 1,000 likes, we will do another giveaway which will include a Supreme shoulder bag and a Supreme tee. Just go ahead and run them likes up on that video. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into it. So for the paper Nutsy collaboration with Supreme, we are going to be seeing 3 pieces from what I see so far. It's rumored that this isn't the full collaboration, but I honestly don't know yet. They're saying that there might be some bags and stuff like that, but we just don't know. I feel like this is a collab that people thought would never release because there were some samples that came out a little while back, and whoever paid premium for those is sick right now. Because these are going to be releasing, I don't know if this upcoming Thursday or Friday, considering the fact that it is about to be Christmas. But all the way at the bottom of this list, we do have the Nutsy pants, which is basically like some bubble ass pants that are like thick as hell for the winter time. This is gonna have you super cozy and hot, but I think I'm good on the pants. They don't look too bad. I honestly really do like the design that they used. It's like you took a piece of notebook paper and you just crumbled it all the way up. That's what this looks like right here, but I do feel like it's a fire ass color. It's just a really cool effect on a pair of pants that I've never seen before. I feel like this is one of the ones that might end up doing well in the future. Not so much with the pants, but definitely with the jacket. But first we did have the pants all the way at the bottom of the list. Next up we do have this 700 filled down scarf. This shit looked like wrapping paper that you see in the packages that you receive. That's what this shit looks like to me. I feel like it's a thick ass scarf, like you will never get cold in this shit. You do have kind of like a stash pocket in the scarf, which is something that you never see. This looks like an inflatable scarf, I'm not gonna lie to you. You got the little Supreme and North Face patches on it as well. I just feel like this design is actually pretty cool, bro. They didn't do too much. It's real simple and they got straight to the point with it. But next up we did have the scarf, and last up we have the Nutsy Jacket, which is the most fire piece from the collaboration. I honestly was expecting them to drop a parka as well. I am a fan of parkas more than Nutsy's because I do feel like the Nutsy is a big ass jacket. Like it's just too bulky for me. I feel like the parka is just thinner. You can wear it more in springtime. You can't really wear this shit in spring, bro. It's too thick to wear this bitch in the springtime. You will be sweating balls. Your shits will be stuck to your leg if you wear this shit. It's not that bad. I do love the color. I'm saying this a lot, but the paper crumbled effect is so cool to me. I feel like it gives it like this off-white type vibe, and I'm not talking about Off-White the brand. I'm talking about Off-White like as in the color. It has like this grayish off-white colorway to it. You got the iconic Supreme North Face patches on the sleeve, then you got the regular North Face going on with it. I feel like this one definitely will have good resell. And on the back of the hood you can also see that it does say Supreme going on the hood as well. That's basically the branding that it has, but you already know that when it comes to Supreme North Face, you don't really need all this branding. I feel like this is gonna have resell, and I will cover in tomorrow's video why I feel like you should get the bot that I used for last week. It actually helped me and a lot of other people get the box logos, so I feel like this is gonna be another release where Addict is gonna cook up. I'm gonna talk about it in detail in tomorrow's video. Hey, they helped me cook, and I do apologize for all the manual users, but I'm sick and tired of taking L's, so we are gonna go ahead and talk about that a little bit tomorrow. I'm gonna talk about copping on a bot versus buying manual, and which I honestly recommend for this drop right here. But I do feel like this Nutsy is gonna have pretty decent resell, possibly like $300 to $400 on top of retail, because I do feel like this is an anticipated piece and there was samples going for a whole lot of money. So this one right here might end up doing pretty well on the market. But that pretty much does it for the collaboration. I do have a couple more pieces that I do want to cover just so that this video isn't too short. First, we do have these Travis Scott Air Max 270 Reacts. I do want to know what you guys have to say about these right here. I feel like they're pretty cool. It's obviously a little twist to what he's been doing doing lately, but this is like a vintage pair of 270s, and these shits haven't even been out for that long, so I honestly want to know what you guys have to say. The yellowed outsole isn't too bad. I honestly feel like this is a complete twist from what he's been doing. They're okay. I feel like people are gonna dick ride anyways, but this is not too bad. It's definitely not his best work, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I just hope that his Nike collaborations don't get watered down in 2020. That's something that I honestly do not want, but the colorways that he chooses are always cool. I don't know why. He has like this soft like tan colorway. You got like a blue on it with some red. Then you got that OD yellowed outsole. I don't know why it's that yellowed. It doesn't look too bad, but I honestly don't know if it's my cup of tea. I don't really wear too many Air Maxes, but they don't look that bad, honestly. I want to see on feet pictures, different fit pictures. The picture that came out of them doesn't do them too much justice, if I'm being honest. I want to see him wear them in a different way, how he styles them, if that makes sense. But these are gonna release March 2020 for a retail of $190. They aren't too bad. I'm interested in seeing different pictures, the final product, all that kind of stuff. Hey, I might end up trying to get them at this point because fuck it, right? But we do have this unreleased pair of Palm Angel Jordan 1s. This is basically the Chicago colorway in like an OG style. They got the yellowed outsole. They got like some flames on the side of them. This is a nice little twist, but I do feel like these sneakers are about to break down on you. They honestly look like they're from the 1985 era. They don't look like they're a new pair of sneakers, which I'm feeling like is what they were trying to go for. I don't know how I feel about it personally. It's not that bad. I just don't know. I don't know. I feel like if they were to release, I honestly would go for them because I'm going for any Jordan 1 that I like. And these are okay, but I don't know if that's the perfect. I don't know. I feel like Union did it the best, but these don't look that bad if I'm being honest. We also do have this Murakami OVO collaboration, which at this point probably did release. I feel like it's a cool collab. You can't go wrong with OVO or Murakami, but I don't know if together that's what I'm going for. Like, that's not gonna be on my hit list, but this definitely did release if I'm not mistaken. I do like this olive jacket right here with the owl and the Murakami head on it. It's definitely not that bad. There is a rumor that for Supreme SS20 we're gonna be seeing a Supreme Tide stick. I don't know how that fits into this video, but that's just a rumor that we've been seeing. There's gonna be a Tide collaboration, and honestly they did do a Tide collaboration before. I may be wrong, or they just stole their logo or some shit like that. Yeah, the Spin Tee had the Tide logo. I might be wrong on that, but I do feel like it did. This isn't a bad thing to have though. If you're trying to be a clean boy out here, you can go ahead and get that. But we probably got one more piece, then we're gonna get straight up out the building. I don't want to make this video too long, but we are gonna be seeing these court purple Jordan 1s in April 2020. I feel like they've been pumping out these Jordan 1s week by week type shit, and they're not stopping in 2020. They're bringing more colorways. These look like the Chicago's and purple. That's pretty much it right here. I feel like they're not that bad. Resell's definitely gonna be through the roof. People love purple Jordan 1s, and hey, I don't even know what to say at this point, bro. They're just gonna keep dropping them on us. Like, they're not gonna stop no time soon. The last thing that I want to talk about are these Nike SB Dunks in the Raygun colorway. This is a pair of Dunks that came out way back when, like years ago. I remember seeing these on people's feet, and honestly I never was that into Dunks, but I did appreciate them, and now I'm trying to get these shits. They look fire, definitely in the black colorway. I love the effect on the side with the tie-dye. It kind of reminds me of the Futura Dunks. I don't even know how I just said that right now, but they do look cool. It got that little plane on the side. It's fire, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely am feeling the black colorway more than the white. Knowing the hype that these have behind them, I might not even be able to cook, to be honest. They do not look bad. I definitely do appreciate these right here. But that is the last piece that I had to talk about for today's video. If you guys did enjoy this one, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, make sure you click that Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to enter in an Apollo necklace giveaway. And right under that link is going to be my room tour video. Make sure you go ahead and watch that. That's honestly a really special video to me. I know I've been talking about it almost in every video, and that's for a reason. Once you guys get that to 1,000 likes, we will do a Supreme shoulder bag and Supreme tee giveaway for you. But without any further ado, man, I spoke enough. I showed enough. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
How I I know you're not a homo, Granddad, if you don't say no homo?
I'm not saying no homo.
Okay, you want to be a homo?
Stop calling your granddaddy a homo.
Then say no homo.
I don't want to say no homo. I'm a homo your ass. You don't stop saying pause.
Pause.